In this video, I am going to teach you how to overlay pages in Bluebeam. This feature helps you compare two versions of the same drawing by highlighting changes with different colors. It's a quick way to spot revisions or updates. Let's get started. First, go to the Documents section at the top of Bluebeam. This is where most of your file-related tools and options are located. Next, choose Overlay Pages from the drop-down options. This opens a tool that lets you layer one page on top of another. Then click the plus button to begin. This allows you to add the files you want to compare. Now, choose Add Files and select the files you want to overlay. You can upload two different versions of the same plan for comparison. After that, you'll be able to select which page to use and assign a color to each version. It will display in the Preview section. This helps you clearly see the differences between files. Finally, if everything looks good, click OK. The overlay will be created, and you'll see color-coded changes on a single page. And that's how you overlay pages in Bluebeam. If you found this helpful, give us a like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more easy tutorials.
See you next time!